Imagine a world where cash is obsolete, banks are irrelevant, and you control your money like never before. Sounds futuristic, right? But is cryptocurrency really the future of money, or just a passing trend? Stick around, because in the next 5 minutes, we'll break it all down, the good, the bad, and everything in between. Number 1. What is cryptocurrency? Before we dive into the pros and cons, let's quickly cover the basics. Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates on blockchain technology, a decentralized system that records transactions across a network of computers. Unlike traditional money, crypto is not controlled by any government or central authority. Think of it as the internet's answer to money. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, launched in 2009, and now there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, including Ethereum, Dogecoin, and even meme coins like Shiba Inu. But is this really where money is headed? Number 2. The pros of crypto. Let's talk about the benefits of cryptocurrency, why so many people think it's the future of money. Crypto eliminates the need for middlemen like banks or payment processors. You're in full control of your money. Global accessibility. Over 1.4 billion people worldwide don't have access to traditional banks, but many of them have smartphones. Crypto bridges that gap, making it possible for anyone to send and receive money globally. Speed and low fees. Traditional international transfers can take days and cost a fortune. With crypto, it's fast and cheap, sometimes instantaneous. Inflation resistance. Most cryptocurrencies have a limited supply. For example, there will only ever be 21 million bitcoins, making it resistant to inflation compared to traditional fiat currencies. Innovation opportunities. From NFTs to decentralized finance, DeFi, crypto is opening up new doors for innovation and creativity. Number 3. The cons of crypto. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrencies have their downsides too, and they're important to consider. Volatility. Crypto prices can swing dramatically. Imagine your $50 dinner bill costing $70 the next day or $30 the day after. That's not ideal for a stable currency. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate crypto. In some countries, it's legal, in others, it's banned altogether. Security risks. While blockchain is secure, crypto wallets and exchanges are still vulnerable to hacking. If you lose your private keys, your funds are gone forever. Environmental concerns. Cryptocurrency mining, especially for Bitcoin, consumes massive amounts of energy, raising concerns about its environmental impact. Adoption challenges. Not everyone is ready to embrace crypto. Adoption rates are growing, but most businesses still don't accept it as payment. Number 4. Is crypto the future of money? So, is crypto the future of money? The answer isn't black and white. While it has the potential to revolutionize global finance, it also faces significant challenges before it can replace traditional currencies. Adoption, regulation, and technology will all play a huge role in its future. Some experts believe crypto will coexist with fiat currencies, while others think it could eventually replace them altogether. The reality? Only time will tell. So, what do you think? Is cryptocurrency the future of money, or is it just a bubble waiting to burst? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.